I'm from mechanical.
Hi guys, I'm Gautam from CSE.
Hi guys, I'm Srikanth from Quickly.
Hey, this is Pranay from Computer Science.
Hi guys, I'm Ritvik from Tirupati.
Hello everyone, Anand Charan, ECU.
Yeah, we are here to speak about punctuality, right? Punctuality.
Punctuality.
Punctuality is nothing but being on time.
Not exactly, but okay.
Yeah, in university students' lives, I think there are three factors that will decides upon his marks and his studies. I think the punctuality and
Start.
the way he writes his notes and his interaction with the teachers is the main things in getting the marks for the university students. So I think let's concentrate on the first thing, the punctuality, the time of being on time in the class.
Yeah.
Let's have a formal discussion.
So,
Okay.
how do you define punctuality?
I define punctuality being punctual. Being punctual is the most important thing, right? What is it?
So Anant, how do you define punctuality?
Well, being punctual is the most important thing. Dignity exemplifies punctuality, I guess, because being college life. Start.
So guys, how do you define punctuality?
I think guys, generally in the university things, students aren't punctual usually. Most of the guys, they are usually wake up late and they'll go to classes late and they're not punctual and then classes will get disturbed. So if they are punctual in the university times, they'll listen the class well. They'll write the notes well.
Yeah.
Actually, being a punctuality is the biggest task in college life.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's too tough even.
it's too tough too, but yeah, that's what we're doing.
No, I think being punctual is not enough. You have to listen the classes also. Not going to the classes is just not enough.
Yeah.
You have to listen the class attentively and you have to write the notes also.
Yeah, even I agree.
On the point of the making the notes, I'll say that making the notes is important thing because we'll study after the exam from the notes. So notes have to be good and clear.
Writing notes is not important, but it should be clear enough.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It should be clear enough for us to understand. So
Yeah,
if you're,
so that we can do it again.
yeah,
We can revise it.
If you be punctual, we can write the notes neatly and we can understand it after the exam. So yeah, notes writing is also important.
Yeah, notes plays a key role while preparing for examinations.
Yeah, it's right because we do not study daily, right? What the staff have told, we do not revise them daily. We look at them when tomorrow, for example, tomorrow is exam, we look at them today. So when we write notes, we can go through the whole lessons that staff have told, so we can get good marks in exams.
Actually, office hours also play a major role in our life.
Yes, I do agree because whenever you don't understand anything, you need to feel free to go to office of concerned teacher, right? He'll keep a pen on the paper and he will precisely describe it in a convenient way.
I think he will teach better than in a lecture. hall.
Obviously, he will teach better because then the students' strength of the students will be less,
Yeah,
The
right?
focus on the
Yeah,
student will be more.
He can focus much.
Yeah, absolutely, they teach better in the lecture, but everyone can't understand the lecture. So there are some doubts.
Because
for
there is
the
a language barrier. More
There
or
are
less,
some doubts
right?
for the students, yeah,
Yes,
even the
obviously.
language barrier or they don't understand the doubt. So it is important for us to go to teacher privately and interact with the teacher. And so the class, the lecture hours, we should use them. The office hours, we should
We should
contact
get the
with
office hours.
teachers.
Firstly, we need to
and
break the
should,
shackles.
we should get the concepts get cleared so that we can perform well in the exam. So I think that office hours are very important in the student's life.
Yes.
I
What do you
think
think?
lecture plays only 40% role.
Yes.
Doing tutes, all these works.
Yeah.
Yes.
We have to
obviously.
practice a lot.
Yes,
I think
obviously.
practicing will be
The hard work what
around
we
a
do.
60%,
Yeah.
and lecture will be around 20 to 40%. That's it.
And even there will be a luck factor, dude. 5% luck factor.
A luck factor that doesn't matter a lot, but
It's not trusted.
it matters.
There is. You can't make
Hard work
it, right?
matters.
Ultimately, hard work matters, right?
Attendance. Yeah, even attendance plays a major role.
Yeah,
Right,
Bonu,
good.
what do you say about that?
Yeah, it's very important. I neglected, so I am here to lose. Because I got 7, but I was failed due to lack of attendance. That's a major issue. Usually students get up late in the morning and they won't attend the classes. But we should attend the classes. The attendance is very important.
Actually, getting up early in the morning is a major task.
Biggest,
for us.
biggest task.
Yeah.
Biggest.
That's why we're on the same page.
Since-
We got failed.
Till birth to intermediate, we have congested to our habits so that when we enter intermediate, engineering, we get a lot of freedom. So we do.
Actually, the whole system collapsed, right?
Yeah.
We were waking up at 10 to 10:30, and
Because we don't
were-
sleep early.
Yes, you
We
are right.
sleep at the late night.
We need to stop watching all those serials, dude.
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah, obviously.
And
the
TV
university
shows and
students have
serials,
so
they are
much-
they're literally.
We all love.
We all know extracurriculars.
Extra.
We do up to late night.
Really, Game of
up to
Thrones
3.
is collapsing us, right?
But then,
Not only Game of Thrones, we have
Everything,
Every
everything.
student has their own things.
Some-
Watching
but then,
TV shows
did
or
you
roaming
guys
outside.
observe?
Yeah.
We go on time for a movie, but we don't go on time for a lecture.
Yes, you're absolutely right.
Mm.
Yeah.
So I think
But-
the 3 factors are important for these things: the being punctual for the classes and writing notes and going for the office hours. So that these 3 will combinedly make a student good in his studies.
Impact,
get a
impact. They will have a
grades.
greatest impact.
So that we
Greatest
can
impact.
study
Get a
and
good grades.
grades and we can.
Guys, you forgot very important. That's the attendance.
Yeah, attendance
Main
plays a big
attendance
role.
is
We did for
You're right, you're right.
Attendance. It's
Even
sucks,
I'm in the
man.
border. I'm in the border. Even I have 76 or
Without attendance,
80%.
our whole effort will collapse. That's it.
I think nothing is lost right now.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, we can do.
We have a vision, man.
We have a vision.
man.
We have a mission. Still a long way to
Way to
go.
Go!
All the way.
Ooh.
Last
Okay, this is Afra.
మంచి